Fix print and scan problems with HP Print and Scan Doctor, a free tool for Windows. Under Product Support, select Use HP Print and Scan Doctor. Select Download Now. If your computer displays an offline or printer offline status, select Yes when prompted to download a version of the app designed to resolve printer offline conditions. Otherwise, select.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
Select No to download the latest standard version. Open the file to extract and run the app. If prompted, select Continue, Run, or Yes to allow changes to your computer. Select Accept to agree to the terms. Select your printer and then select Next. The tool detects problems on the computer and connections that might prevent printing or scanning. Follow any on-screen troubleshooting prompts to fix the detected problems and resume printing or scanning.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.